Okay, we have made a change here to the Greenger. We have swing arm clearance on both sides. So it's rideable. Yay, that's a good thing. The problem is we did this by putting it on a longer chain. The catch is the chain length, you can remove one link at a time, obviously. And unfortunately, the sprocket size is 46 tooth. And in order to put a chain on that we can take all the tension out that we need to, we have tension here, I had to move it all the way to the back of the swing arm. Any closer and the tire would rub, or the chain, I couldn't remove the number of links to make it work out. If I removed one more link, then the swing arm would rub. If I leave it like that, I have to adjust it all the way out to the end of the axle. So that's a bit of a compromise. It's not ideal, and it's going to be really hard to adjust the chain to take the tension out as the chain starts to wear. Next option that leaves is a different sprocket size. Go larger to a 47 tooth. 48 is the stock size, but with a 48 the bike would over rev and just wind out. So I don't know what the ultimate solution is, but for now we're running the swing arm all the way to the back. That's where we're at, but it's at least rideable at this point.